Here we're making a cute, adorable skeleton cupcake cake. So welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. I am Michelle. First thing I'm going to do here is line up my cupcakes. And I'm using 9 cupcakes, but you could certainly make it much bigger. Spray my cupcakes with a little sweet water so that they are nice and moist. Now the great thing about making a cupcake cake is that all your cupcakes are pushed together so that it looks like one cake. And so I'm actually going to frost this here so that it looks like one cake. To make my skeleton eyes, I'm actually using a really large tip just as a template, but honestly you could use basically anything. If you're new here, welcome! Hit that subscribe button and join us for many more fun videos. Now, my skeleton here is actually kind of happy, so I'm giving him a smile with some little stitch marks to hold that smile up, and cute little purple dimples. And then don't forget the adorable little skeleton nose. Ta-da! He's done, and he is so cute. Now tell me, was that easy or what? Woohoo! Thanks for sticking to the end. If you make this cake, be sure to tag me on social media. And you, of course, go sweeten the world and have a beautiful day.